create your first chatbot with the Crafter.ai platform, click the button at the top right as shown in the video. Choose the language spoken by the chatbot and finally specify the expertise area of your bot. Should you encounter difficulties, try clicking on the word Examples and select one from the list that appears. Then, simply click the Confirm button and follow the instructions on our platform to proceed with the generation of the chatbot's knowledge base. The knowledge base will be created automatically as soon as the upload is complete. On the right side of the platform, you can view the newly created knowledge base. Under each question, you will find several phrases that correspond to alternative ways your users may ask their question, helping the chatbot better understand various situations. Generative AI is a very powerful tool, but still not perfect. For this reason, we prefer to maintain a supervised approach and recommend that you always do a quick check of the auto-generated content. Once you have completed your review, choose the questions to keep or use the area on the left to create new ones with 4 different types of automatic generation tools: prompts, text, documents, or by sending the pages of your website. Save your work, close this window, and you will be directed to the Teach phase of our platform, where you can continue to improve your chatbot, expand the knowledge base, create flows, connect other systems to the chatbot, and much more.